We got the car up on the scales. We got the readout. You guys can see it. Now we got to go through and do all the mathematical stuff with that. But Dad showed up.
Hello. How are we all?
It's only like 11:30.
I've been in there doing bookkeeping work.
That sounds awful. Yeah, we're going to go through, we'll do the math. I'll show you the numbers once I write them all down. Alright, so if you don't have a set, I would get a set of wireless scales because it makes it really handy. So then you can read your own handwriting and don't have to rely on your dad's handwriting that nobody can read.
Good job.
Alright, so we got the scales off. Those are our numbers.